guys, Apple Fanatic here, making a quick video on a jailbreak that has been released today by the dev team. This will jailbreak 4.2.1 on the iPod Touch 2G, running the non-MB model iPhone 3GS, and let me just pull up their blogs to show you guys. Alright, so you can see the best news is for iPhone 3G older, iPhone 3G older, iPhone 3GS, and non-MC model iPod Touch 2Gs. You can jailbreak with this jailbreak. It's going to be for Red Snow. It's called Red Snow 0.9.6 Beta 4. 0.9.6 B4, and it will jailbreak your iDevice running on 4.2.1. If you're unlocked for the iPhone 3G or 3GS, stay away from the 4.21 upgrade. This will not unlock. This will just jailbreak. So if you're an AT&T user for the iPhone 3G or 3GS, go ahead and jailbreak, update and jailbreak, because this won't affect any of you. So what you're going to need is two programs. You're going to need the file 4.2.1, and your link will be in the description for that file, by the way, and you will need Red Snow. What you're going to want to do next is open up Red Snow, hit open, and you will be greeted with the everyday, like the average Red Snow thing. This is also for Windows, same process for Windows. You're going to want to hit next, you're going to want to hit browse. Let me kind of get out a little bit. Browse. Gonna want to go down to wherever you have your firmware saved. Mine's in my downloads 4.2.1. Let it find it. Alright, and it's gonna say this is an MC model. If sure, so. This won't do a custom ROM. This won't do a non-tethered jailbreak. This will completely screw up your iPod Touch 2G if it's an MC model. So don't jailbreak it if it's a MC model. Very easy way to find that out. This is an MB model. You want to go slide to unlock, go to settings. Then to general, about, and if it says MB in front of the model number, you are good to go. If it says MC, don't jailbreak. And if it says PB, which is a custom, I really don't know what to tell you there. It should work. It really all depends on when you bought it. If you bought it after September 9th of 2009 and it's an 8GB model, it's an MC model. If it's before that, you should be good to go. Alright, so the next step we're going to do is you're going to want to hit next. And it's going to contact the server. Alright, and then the next step is going to be to decide what you want to be installed. So we want all of this installed. And if you have a 3GS, I don't know if it actually works on the 3GS. I think it does because it said it did, but oops, I don't want to install custom bundle. Actually, no, I don't want to install custom bundle. Never mind. So just do verbose mode. We'll enable everything, and I don't want to do a custom boot logo. So hit next, and it's going to tell you to make sure your device is powered off and plugged in. So we're going to power it off, and we're going to put into DFU mode. Then just follow the on-screen instructions. Very simple. I'm going to do it beforehand just to show you guys. Wait for it to power off. And now you're going to want to hit hold the power button for 3 seconds. Then after 3 seconds, hold down the home button. So it's 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Now hold down the home button and for another 10 seconds. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release the power button, but continue holding the home button. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so now we just want to hit the next, and it is going to run through all the steps. And because we put it into DFU mode before, it's just going to go straight into it and not go through the steps. And flash the white screen again. and we are downloading the jailbreak data, so I can let go of that. Alright, so it's scrolling, and as you can see, it now says done, and it just gives you a quick hint. The rest of the process takes place on your device, and if you would like to enable battery percentage, it gives you directions on how to do that. Alright, so we are just going to finish, and I will come back when it is done jailbreaking. So just to show you this real quick. You got the penguin dude, the pineapple dude. So once you got that, you know you're pretty good to go. So I'll come back in like 3 minutes when it's done jailbreaking. No need to watch it because you know what's going to happen. Alright, hey guys, so we're back. As you can see, it's just finishing up scrolling through verbose mode. I enabled that in the jailbreak, so we should have it come back to the home screen. Here we go. Alright, so as you can see, nothing's changed on the front, so there's no way to really tell, but first of all, let me go back. You notice the back, the wallpaper, but with the old jailbreak, you noticed that when you went to slide to unlock, the whole screen kind of shook, or it was kind of sporadic. But now, with the no jailbreak, it's not doing that, and we'll open up Cydia, and Cydia is a new Cydia, guys. Look at that. Cydia will exit when complete. So I'm pretty sure we have a new Cydia, or not a new Cydia, but a reamped Cydia. So I will do a walk through of the new Cydia, not right now, but later, at a later date. So it's kind of just froze. Alright, so let me just reopen it. Alright, so I'll just show you guys. It's got multitasking and all that stuff. And the battery percentage. If you guys don't know how to do the battery percentage, I'll show you that real quick. Just go to settings, go to general, go to about. I'm sorry, not about. See where you see about. Hit usage, and hit battery percentage. And then in the corner you'll see it gives you the battery percentage, 93%. All right. So we're just gonna open up Cydia again. Okay, yeah. So we got a new Cydia, guys. All right. So I'm a user, but I'll just hit user for now, and you can always change it if you want to change it. You can always just hit change. Alright, now hit done. Ooh, sorry guys, my hand got stuck. And I'm hoping that this Cydia will load faster. The old Cydia loaded really slow, and even with multitasking, it took forever to load. Alright, so here you guys go. That loaded relatively quick. The new Cydia layout, nothing's changed. The beginning was new, so I really can't call it a new Cydia, but it was a newer beginning of the Cydia. Alright, so make sure you save your SHs if you're going to update, obviously. Before you update, if you haven't updated already, make sure in your jailbreak, make sure you save your SH so you can downgrade if anything goes wrong. As you can see, 4.0, 4.0.2, and 4.1 for me are saved. And watch my other video. Pretty sure I uploaded it. If it hasn't been uploaded, I'll upload it tonight. I gotta go to work in a little bit. But when I get back, I will then upload it. But make sure you save your SH, just so you can always go back to that firmware. So for Apple Fanatic, this is me saying peace.